Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel Live with Sisters. Today I am making a project with this ice cream stick, and I painted with the help of poster colors, and I got glue gun, and I got sprinkle cup and this big eyes, and we got little eyes and salt cup, and I got cup box, and I cut it into shapes. So let's start with this project. So guys, I covered the lid with this silver tape, and now I'm gonna put this on this ice cream sticks with this help of this glue gun. I'm putting this, I guess ice cream sticks. I'm gonna add this red and green. Oh. I applied this side, and now I'm gonna apply the three sides of this box. Now let's apply. So guys, I make this pencil holder. I make some shape. I made a round one. You can put your pencil, brushes, pen, or reader, your color pencils. And look at this, I make this square one too, and I make lid too, and I just put this two purple ice cream sticks, and you can put anything in it. And I make these two butterflies. Look at they're flying together. And I make my own plane. Wow, I'm gonna make a face. Good. Now I'll apply the eyes. I'm so excited. Oh. Look at my eyes. I'm gonna first apply it on the butterfly. Now I apply this. I see my eye. Now I'm gonna apply it on my plane. See? Wobbly eye. Wobbly, 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 wobbly. Wobbly eye. Don't wobbly they are. Oh, wobbly, wobbly. See my plane. Butterfly. My butterfly is flying. So I make this pencil holders. I got some kinderjoy dolls. I applied this rounds, this pearls, and my favorite butterfly. And look at my another pencil holder. This is a handle. You can pick it up like this. And look at this butterfly. But I do love this butterfly and my plane. I make this myself. We are teens, we are friends, la 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 la. We are friends, la 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 la. We got the important mission, la 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 la. bye for now. See you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon and please comment. Bye bye. Uma heart chocolate. See you next time. Heart.